Hi guys, hope you all are doing perfect. It's been a while since I made a video like this, but at least it's given me time to gather a couple of interesting insights that I'm willing to share with you. Plus, I'm sure you'll really enjoy them. Maybe you already know them, but I just want to show you how I do it my way, the Arani way. Would you like my strap? Made this for myself. I'm super proud of it. There's a moment I took like just an hour to stare at it. I was in the car, so zingine naeka hii rear mirror kwa angle naweza iona hapa. Naona ni cool. Plus imefanya nijue mimi ni browning. Ama check contrast. Kange kwa dark ninge blend. But ta. Okay, so let's get right into it. Before I start, this video is about what I carry in my bag on the daily, the things that I can't live without. Zile nikitoka bila hata sielewi. So I want to change the African culture where the man anatembea tu na Vaseline tosha. Wewe ndio mwanaume, wewe ndio the baddest, wewe ndio ule Mwafrika. You can even rip off a lion. Acha hizo. Your body needs pampering. Ndio kuwe at 100 at all times to do whatever you do. So there's so many different things that you should have as a man for everyday carry. So this is what I've been using of late. It's an unreleased stealth bag by Arani. It has a really thick, beefy, comfortable, removable strap. Beautifully finished. It's supposed to go like this. Then you can carry the bag with ease. So let me put it back. Okay, so here's the bag. It was done in a beautiful mocha brown. Beautifully done edges as well. Super clean. You can see how shiny that is. And the texture. I also love how squeaky it is. Nikishika tu nasikia. Oosh. Nasikia too important for some strange reason. The texture on this. That's pure suede. Oh my god. I'm addicted to leather. This is so good. Jivashi. Kapi yangu ni givenchy. Kama si afadhali ni wash. I don't do the dishes, but lazima ni to make up. This is just how designers make you feel. No maana mnafaa mwelewe hii Arani. It's a lifestyle. There's a different taste nikipiga hii coffee na kikombe tu plain melamine. Kama unafunza? So let's get right to it with my everyday carries. Okay, what's item one gonna be? Let's see. Of course. My Arani wallet. Lately, nimekuwa in my dark era, so to speak. So I'm embracing all blacks. Notice my strap matches it too. So it's like a classy, elegant look. Notice how cool that is. Black croc, looks real beautiful. Matches my strap. Imagine nimeenda kutransact na naoperate hivi. Who do you know matches like this? Wow, that's super beautiful. So item number one, my Arani wallet. An absolute essential. Okay, item number two, what's it gonna be? Item number two, my car keys. So I've attached my lighter to it. This from the 2024 collection. It's a metallic big lighter cover with a beautiful orange snakeskin and an absolutely neatly done orange cross stitch. Wax thread, of course, the best in the market, and I love it. Whenever it's done, I could always just pop it off, get a new one from the gas station, pop, then it's alive. It has a couple of other things. It has my AirTag tracker. This is a lifesaver. I can never lose my keys. I can just track it straight off my phone. Then, of course, my car keys. This artwork was done by Bujami Kid. It was hand painted. This is the other lifesaver. Any size 5, any star, any flat, all in one hand. How cool is that? Then this is a key holder. This came with my pen, my Parker pen. You might know it. Then there's the SIM extractor for my Android friends. I can always save you guys. Ati nini ati siwezi lipa ati na try ati phone imezima. Shika extractor. Oh, siogope. For me, I use the eSIM, so ini ya mabeshte wangu kina Monster, kina OG. So on to the third everyday carry. What is it? What is it? What is it? Of course, AirPods Pro. I have a case for it, but I don't know where it is. Sometimes I just like to have it raw, especially when I'm in-house. So that's my third essential. Everybody got a pair of this. The noise cancellation is amazing. Something related to the third everyday carry. So this is a small baggie that comes with a big stealth bag. So it's basically for smaller items that you wouldn't want fumbling in the bag, right? So, of course, iPhone charger. This is an absolute essential. There's a leather sleeve to make it organized. You don't want to be fumbling around every time. You're a grown-up. You want to look organized. So taifold vizuri, we lock, ingize kwa organizer. The next essential, my Parker pen. I love this. It's brought me a lot of good luck. Anytime I'm meeting a client and I'm sure I'm gonna sign a big deal, maybe ni tender, lazima nibebe my Parker pen, just to make the last moment memorable. Huwezi kuwa tu umeenda kusign check, umetoa ile ya big, umejaribu kuandika imekataa, umeanza kustroke hivi kwa ofisi ya CEO. Honestly, what picture is that? Lack of confidence is what you'll exhibit. On the other hand, mi reach into my essentials bag, niitoe, niipige uwi ajuu kijana ni sure bet. Then make your signature big and bold. Life to live, have no fear. So that's my other very important essential. Anybody who's past 28, usitumie biro, please. What I should tell you, you need things as a man. Unahitaji my essentials, tu vitu tudogo zinakusaidia. A man is as good as his tools. Huwezi operate kiafrika tu uko na tu socks na matai. On to the next essential. I cannot stress how important this is. Some people call it a chapstick, some people call it lip balm, lip care, lip oil. You would call it what you may. But this is an absolute essential. How do I apply it? Well, for me, since bado niko na ukisi, so siwezi soft. So I usually take a small dab, then roughly apply it on my lips. Usiapply ati pole pole, watu watashangaa. We're still in Africa. So take a small dab, rough. Hadi demu yako akikuangalia anajua ame-embrace modernism, but still he's so manly. Tamaliza. Of course, typical me, added a leather sleeve to it, and it helped me not lose it because my house manager always throws stuff. Then nikimuuliza lazima aseme hajui. Hiyo ndio first answer, 0 seconds. So at least anajua kitu yote iko na leather ni extremely precious. So every time I usually get it. So yeah, chapstick, absolute essential. You don't want to be walking around with them cracked lips, bro. In your dashboard, let's make way. 100. Another essential I always carry with me is cologne. Zingine nikiwa karibu kutana na wewe, my client, hii game ni kaa chess. Maybe wewe umesweat, uko on 100. So mi lazima ni cheat. Ndio kutana na mimi nikikusalimia kushika na kwanga fresh. Lazima ni cheat. It's always with me. Kuna ile ya home, but sasa hii ni ile emergency. Unaniget? So absolute essential. Ama before mtoke kwa gari. You guys so fresh. Correct. Correct. Second last essential is something I always carry. Hii season na mahali bila. Zingine hadi mko na mbili. Yeah, here it is. Super manly, super cool. Plus unasikia some sense of safety ka uko nazo. Make sure uko pia fiti hand combat. So, mwalete. Maybe he pins you down. Start struggling. You're struggling. Hapo sasa ndo unaweza toa. Ulipiga. Nini mkingangana nini? Hii tupo. Unatrai kuriki. Katai. Unampiga. Don't listen to me though. But anyway, they serve as good everyday carries for whatever you want to use them for. The final one, oh, it only like good luck charm. You're full, iko blue, you're empty, iko red. Has a nice packaging, glass, smells nice. Reminds me of Kisi home. So that's it. I'm gonna put them back so that you can see them one by one. Maybe with a plug on something. So of course cologne goes in first. Then good luck charm. Blade. Second blade in your watch. Always come with GP. Lip balm. Everybody needs this. I can't stress how much. I could get you this leather sleeve. It looks cool. Haita khaki there at all. Khakis with my lighter and the essentials kit. Utility kit, sorry. Earphones. Then the small baggy. Good luck pen. Then finally my Arani wallet. And the bag swallows everything with ease. YKK, best zippers in the world. And there you go. Real nice. So, thanks a lot. See you.